is a new show. I'm going to make it again because last one was funny.
Start it up.
Lesson number 2. The lesson in backseat drivers. Due to graphic nature of elbowing in the face, your discretion is advised. Rated PG 500. Still like kids watching. Alright. Alright, Buzz. You stay here. I'm going to get my car, okay? Click it or ticket. Anyway.
Start it up. Start it. Start it up.
Shut up! I don't like backseat drivers, and you stop it. You're not part of this anyway.
Start it. Start it up.
Ah! Maybe I should listen to him. Oh, well, what do you know?
Done.